Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send a fax messages from your Lenovo Tab M7. So at the start open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Now just choose your app. I'm always using the EasyFax. So we have to launch it and add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Now if you want to add to your document, just click on this little plus and choose source of it. I'm going to pick something from my gallery, like this one, and click import. Of course you can select more than one picture. Now you can add this the shape of your document and go. Now choose the filter for it to make it more visible. And you can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. So if you're ready, click accept and now type the number in this place. Don't forget to choose the country from the list. And if you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, just click on the plus and do it like before. But if you want send only this one, just click on the screen button and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.